Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's craft. My name is Miss Danielle, and today I will be teaching you how to make paper bag R2-D2s. So, while supplies last, you can come into the library and pick up a paper bag, and inside that bag you'll find these strips of paper. And what you're going to do is cut these out and stick them on to make it look like R2-D2. So I'm going to show you how to put it all together. Let's go! So the first thing I did was cut out all of the blue shapes. I started with blue because blue is going to be our base. So what we're going to do now is glue them onto the bag, and I'll show you what side of the bag to use. So there's a side where it's completely flat, and there's a side where the bag folds at the bottom and where there's a little curve. You're going to want the curved side and the folded side on the back. So you want to glue on this flat side. Okay, so we're going to take our glue stick and we're going to start to glue down our shapes to make it look like R2-D2. Inside your bag, I'm going to include a picture of what the final product should look like, and you can use that as a reference as you start to glue things down, okay? So I'm going to get these glued down and then I'll show you what's next. After you get the blue pieces glued down, the rest of the craft really comes together very quickly and very easily. So the next color that I'm going to glue down is the black circles. So we'll do the big black circle first, and it's going to look like R2-D2's eye. It's going to go right in the middle right here. And then we'll do another small black piece. And now it's going to start to be buttons. We'll put one here. Don't worry if you have a lot of glue on your pieces, because your glue will dry clear and you won't see it later. If you're like me, you'll get glue on your fingers and the pieces will get stuck to you instead of to the bag. So just be careful of that. All of the black pieces are down, and now let's do the white pieces. If it's easier for you, instead of putting the glue on the small pieces, you can put the glue on the blue pieces instead. And that might prevent it from sticking to you instead of to the actual piece. And remember, it's okay if you see purple or if you see clear, because it'll dry clear no matter what, so it won't ruin how the bag looks. After you glue down all of your pieces, you have a completed R2-D2 paper bag, and he stands up too. So what you're going to do is just open up the bag, unfold the bottom, and he stands. So you can display him on your table or on your desk or something like that. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and if you want to see more from us, subscribe to our channel. Have a great week.